lush green forests alongside a long, winding lake. Heal your body and mind in nature, away from the vertiginous city life. This is Jangseong, the hidden Arcadia of Korea. In Jangseong, your eyes get a delightful break. Lush green trees as tall as a 6-story building will refresh your mind. The pleasant scent of Hinoki Cypress trees is known to reduce stress. We decided to join other hikers to make sure we get on the right trail. This 2-kilometer oxygen trail lined with evergreen trees is famous for its healing properties. The rich scent of the forest circulates in the whole body, leaving it revitalized to the core. The healing properties of this forest come from phytoncides. Trees produce phytoncides to protect themselves from pests. In humans, these substances relieve stress and boost the immune system. And the Hinoki cypress emits the largest amount of phytoncides.
Ah, smells like flower.
Oh.
Really sweet.
When stepping on the Hinoki wood chips barefoot, you can feel the energy of the trees permeating your body. Just looking at the forest can chase away fatigue from your body and mind. We decided to lie down on the forest floor to get rid of any fatigue that was still left inside us. The rich scent of Hinoki trees and the sounds of the wind, leaves, and the stream cast a peaceful spell.
This is one of the best experiences I've had in Korea.
Oh, really?
Well,
Really.
the highlight of my trip.
Usually in my day-to-day life, I'm so busy and I'm focused on so many things.
Stressed.
I have a lot of stress, so this makes me forget all of that. I don't have any care in the world, just...
The 1-hour hiking route has come to an end, but saying goodbye is not hard because we feel so much more relaxed. Every summer, a festival is held here. You can get a good rest and a healing experience under the cool shade of Hinoki trees.